Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download a resume critique from Resume Worded and update LinkedIn detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Resume Worded and hit enter. Click on the official Resume Worded website link in the search results. Once on the home page, look for an option to sign up or log in. If you are a new user, click on the Sign Up button and fill in the required information. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials and access your dashboard. After logging in, navigate to the Resume Critique section. Upload your resume file by clicking on the designated Upload button. Wait for the critique to process, which may take a few moments. Once the critique is complete, review the feedback provided. You can download the critique report directly from the platform. Look for the download button and click it to save the report onto your device. Next, open your LinkedIn profile in a new browser tab. Log into your LinkedIn account if you aren't already logged in. On your profile page, locate the section for your resume or work experience. Click on the edit icon next to the relevant section you want to update. Refer to the feedback from your resume critique. Make necessary changes to enhance your descriptions and skills listed on LinkedIn. After making your updates, scroll down and click the Save button. Review your updated LinkedIn profile to ensure all changes are reflected accurately. Now, you have successfully downloaded your resume critique from Resume Worded and updated your LinkedIn profile with valuable insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.